Hi everybody, this is Ian from In 30 Minutes Guides. Today I'm going to show you how to create a line chart in Google Sheets. If this video helps, please take a moment to follow the channel and like the video and check out the links in the description. And let's get going to Google Sheets. By the way, this works whether you're using Mac or Windows or a Chromebook, although Google does recommend using the Google Chrome browser, which is what I'm using right now. So I've logged into this particular sheet and you can see there's already a chart here. And so I just want to show you what it looks like first, and then I'm going to recreate it. It's very easy to do. So I'm going to get rid of this first, delete chart, and then you can see the data. And actually, let's zoom in a little bit. So I'm going to zoom in to 150%. You can see I have 4 cities, I have 7 days, and then I have all these temperatures on there. I just want to make a line chart like I just had. To do it, select the data. So I'm just dragging my mouse across till I have all the cells selected. And then in the toolbar, you'll see an icon that looks like this. It says Insert Chart. If you don't see this particular icon, there may be a drop-down menu on the right side which shows more icons. So select that because it's usually at the end of the list. And then select Insert Chart. Now, the great thing about this is Google's really smart about the type of data that the most suitable chart should be. So it actually automatically selected the line chart using the data that I already have there. If you change your mind and you want to use a different type of chart, just select this little, where it says chart type, where it says line chart, select the drop-down menu, and then you can select, for instance, bar chart or column chart or one of these other configurations as well. For more information on how to get the most out of Google Drive, Google Docs, Google Sheets, and Google Slides, I've written a book about it. Go to in30minutes.com and select Google Drive and Docs in 30 minutes. If this video helped you, please take a moment to like it and follow me on YouTube. I have more links in the description for this particular book and other resources, and thank you so much for watching.